Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So go to more here, go to the settings page, go to account info first. On your birthday you're just going to verify your age. I've already done that, so there is going to be a verified section here. Then to enable it, go to privacy, scroll down and then enable this option, use microphone to chat with a voice, enable it, and select enable again. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.